4.
Hi, my name is Rosław. I'm from Bulgaria. I have a special PlayStation 2. It's worth many though. I have many games: Naruto Shippuden, Need for Speed Pro Street, Naruto Uzumaki Chronicles, Jackass the Game, NBA Street V3, Free Running, God of War 2, The Incredible Hulk Ultimate Destruction, Van Helsing, Spider-Man 3, SmackDown vs. Raw 2008,
Like that on the floor.
Tony Hawk's Proving Ground. Now I'm gonna show you Tony Hawk's Proving Ground, and I'm gonna prove it's not fake. Those discs work. They work, and I'm gonna prove it to you. It kind of looks like PlayStation 3 gameplay. Look. Film that. Now I'm gonna prove it's true. Those discs work. Look here. Huh? You see? It's not an original.